Hi, my name is Zoe Xie. I'm here to present our team's product Efiller, which is a pipette tip loading equipment for laboratory use. Pipette tips are used in labs to move liquid samples using a pipette as shown. There are approximately 2.9 million samples being extracted daily in labs, and they all require these plastic tips. I first started the idea when I was intern at a cancer research center. As an intern student, I was asked to do all labor work, including filling in pipette tips into the rack. I was spending 2 hours every single day to place that 8 rank of tips. So I made a simple equipment to increase my efficiency that saves me tremendous time. Later, I found that there's no existing cheap loaders on the market and the demand is huge. Also, I talked to Hawkins students and many found this equipment to be really useful. Currently, there are 3 options for researchers to fill in pipette tips. First, they can buy pre-ranked tip and throw away after one-time use. However, this is non-sustainable. There are 6 metric million plastic waste produced in lab per year, and an MIT lab waste launch found that 80% of the plastic waste in lab are from pipette tips, as well as its complementary boxes. So we really need to find ways to recycle tips and reduce lab waste downstream. Additionally, researchers can choose to manually fill in bulk of pipette tips, which is really time consuming, or they can buy pipette tips refilling machine on the market, which is expensive that average about $5,000. The solution I present is our product Efill. Our product has relatively high efficiency that you can finish ranking a box in 30 seconds. It is at a low cost, and it allows labs to reuse non-biohazard tips after washing and autoclaving the tips. It is comprised of 2 parts. You first put the pipette tips onto collection dock, swing the dock left to right to make the slim part of the tips to go down to the collection gap. After organizing the tip this way, you then use loaders to load it into box. This animation shows details of how the tips work. I sent my MVP to J. Michael Bishop Cancer Research Center to test the product's functionality, and they validate the following user values. If your product is efficient that you can finish ranking in 30 seconds, it is more environmentally friendly that you can reuse pipette tips and its box. Also, it's more economical because all other loaders on the market are automated AI machines which are expensive. Lastly, it is resilient to lab supply shortage. For instance, during COVID, there's a surge in plastic equipment demand. However, this lab research center reused the pipette tips and did not encounter shortage during the pandemic. Our product Efill encompasses the advantage of all options. It is more efficient than manually filling in, more sustainable than pre-rack tip, and much cheaper than automated loaders. For the market size, there are 5,500 labs in the States, and 33% of them are individual small labs, which are our target customer group. Our business model is direct to customer e-commerce to build customer relationship and reduce overhead costs. At the beginning, we aim to reach the model utilizing retailer marketplace such as Shopify and Amazon to build a basic customer group, and then we can take them to our own web page. I am the founder and developer of the team. I'm planning to recruit this summer. Thank you.